flying.
Yeah,
we would have no weather delays, or just
outside.
hanging out or going to the pool,
yeah.
grilling. A really awesome afternoon. I'm sure a lot of people are doing that for lunch right now.
Absolutely.
As it is just now after 12, and we've got a ton of sunshine across the state. We see that on our Lucky Star Skycam network. All 6 of those boxes show a nice blue sky. And there's not really much to talk about on satellite. Even if I showed it to you, and radar kind of shows the same picture. As just a few showers down in far southeast Oklahoma. That's the last of the rain that we've seen for the past 24 hours, which has totaled 3/4 of an inch here in Oklahoma City. Pretty nice. And then anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches from Stillwater to near Tulsa, just east of Tulsa, and some healthy amounts down across the south. So some good rain over the last 24 hours. That was nice. Not the best for plans yesterday, but today a lot different. There is a bit of a boundary from those storms to the southeast that has kicked off kind of along the I-44 corridor, and we'll kind of stay there this afternoon. It might go a little bit farther to the east. Most of us are dry this afternoon, and then through the evening, if we get a storm, it would be along that boundary, but overall rain chances pretty low. The ingredients for more storms doesn't arrive until tomorrow. Tomorrow at lunchtime, we're still fine and dry, and then as we go later into the afternoon to the early evening, scattered showers and thunderstorms from northwest into eastern Oklahoma pop up, and we could see some storm activity across the I-40 corridor by this point, and then better rain chances come in overnight into Thursday morning as a more potent wave arrives. So more rain chances on the way, a little bit more of an unsettled pattern headed this way. Hotter this afternoon for 4th of July. Hot again tomorrow, but then the cold front comes through. That's part 1 of our unsettled pattern. Cold front's going to come through. That'll cool things down for Thursday, a little bit on Friday, but we keep these systems, this little train of systems coming that brings us more rain chances. And then into the weekend, some daily afternoon thunderstorms possible. Drier by Monday. The heat dome out to the southwest, that's growing. You can see all the reds, the oranges. That heat is building out there, tries to encroach into Oklahoma, and we'll get a couple hotter days by the end of the 9-day, and maybe a few showers by Wednesday, but can't lock that in at this point. 86 in Oklahoma City and Midwest City, 88 out in El Reno, now up to 92 in Kingfisher. We're starting to get some mid-90s, all those little magenta circles you see starting to pop up out in the southwest and northwest. It's a hot wind out of the south. At least we have a wind, but it is a hot wind, 10 to 20 miles per hour for central and western Oklahoma. With the humidity we have, we do feel like the low to mid 90s for most of the metro, but some of us in central Oklahoma feeling a little bit hotter. 99 Kingfisher, 98 down in Chickasha, as well as Altus. We will hit some triple-digit feels like temperatures this afternoon. It's going to be a little bit sticky out there with the heat, with the humidity. Tomorrow we're going to do it again, but look what happens. Okay, so this is early in the afternoon, 1, 2 o'clock, and then eventually that cold front comes in. We start to get those thunderstorms developing, and that's going to drop those heat indices a little bit. Those of us that are waiting on the rain will stay hot through tomorrow afternoon. This afternoon, 96 Oklahoma City, Clinton 95 in Woodward. Could be pushing triple digits once again down in southwest Oklahoma. Again, a hot south breeze is here. 10% chance for isolated showers and thunderstorms to develop this afternoon from Oklahoma City to Lawton, and then areas to the east of that. And 30% chance out in the Panhandle. We have a little weak complex of showers that might develop in New Mexico and move into the Panhandles later on today. 90 degrees by 8 o'clock. Our fireworks forecast looking nice. We're into the 80s. Ought to be dry as we head farther into the night. 70 degrees overnight in Oklahoma City. Some upper 60s up to the north, a little bit cooler for some. And then in the afternoon tomorrow, a little bit hotter ahead of the cold front. 97 Oklahoma City, more triple-digit heat down to the southwest, and some low to mid-90s up across the north, as that is where the higher rain chances will be through the afternoon tomorrow and evening. 20 to 30% chance along the I-40 corridor and to the southeast, and then much higher chances as we go tomorrow night into Thursday morning, where we could see some low-end severe weather. We'll be monitoring that very, very closely over the next couple of days. Cooler afternoon Thursday, but heating things back up. Summer's coming again next week. Dana, that's all I got. I'll send it back to you.